Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from ConvertKit to your bank in America, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from ConvertKit to your bank account in America, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account details. Locate the Payments section in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on the Payments option to access your earnings. Review your available balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to withdraw. Select the Withdraw button, usually found near your balance display. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, review any applicable fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm that your bank account details are correctly linked to your ConvertKit account. If your bank account details are not linked, you will need to set them up first. To add your bank details, go to the Account Settings section. In the Account Settings, find the Payout Preferences tab. Enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check that all the information is accurate to avoid withdrawal issues. Once your bank details are verified, return to the Payments section to continue with the withdrawal. After confirming your withdrawal amount, click the Submit button to process the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request is being processed. It generally takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Payments section as well. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the withdrawal process from ConvertKit to your American bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.